Hey everybody, it is 12:43, not 11:43 like I just typed mistakenly in the comments. 12:43 and 15 seconds on February 1st. I just edited it to show 12:43. This is the main drawing finally for the Teen Titans lot. Over here are the 24 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place will win all 3 books. Due to this being Super Bowl week, I'm going to be doing a little running around. I already missed today's mail. I usually don't go on Saturday, so these will not ship until Monday, which is February 4th. Okay, so best of luck, everybody. The number is lucky 13. Going to randomize 13 times. Name at the top of the list will get all 3 books, and they will ship on Monday the 4th. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here comes the final one. 13, Tony Hull, not Tiny Hull. Tony Hull, spot 11 from his Mini 2 win. Congratulations. Time is 12:44 and 20